And we're gonna using just a little bit, not too thick, not too thin, because this is the charm. It's not the big charm, so you be okay with the amount of condensed glue gels we are going to do it on. I'm not applying all nails because on whole nails, because sometimes we're adding some more crystal on. Loading. And what we should do is a matte top coat. Okay, so keep in mind, if you want shiny, use shiny top coat, okay? And then the matte top coat, the matte Glitz matte top coat is really suede matte. You don't see it streaky at all. When you finish, it looks so matte, and it's not like even reflective shiny matte at all. It's like matte, completely matte. So I'm go ahead and pick the bows. Oh my god, I love this. It stand out for her. Her nail is so adorable. And then the little heart. You can substitute this one with the red. It looks so adorable as well. Let me move her a little bit up there. You know, I think the background, it just really make a set. Like, just really set it off. It looks so adorable. And the best thing about condensed glue gel and no wet top coat, you can really adjusting it however you want until you're happy with this. Then you are going to cure. But I'm gonna add just maybe one crystal from Glow in the Dark collection. I just want it right here. It's how simple it is, and it's super easy. I love the bows and the crystal centerpiece. Okay, we're going to cure for 60 seconds.